Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
Determining the right size air conditioner for a two-story home depends on multiple factors, including square footage, ceiling height, insulation quality, and sun exposure. Generally, a rough estimation starts at about 1 ton, 12,000 BTU, for every 600 square feet. For a typical two-story house, around 2,000 to 3,000 square feet. This means you might need between 3.5 to 5 tons. Consulting with an HVAC professional for a precise calculation ensures the most efficient and effective cooling solution for your home.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.